Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode. As you can see, it is highlighted in this bluish color. So basically all we have to do is to simply make sure that we are on the video one. So let's tap on the video since it is highlighted, and if you can see this red dot, red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar right here. If you want to, you can open it. You can just slide it down. Here we've got the resolution. And as you can see, we've got only two different options from which we can choose. So we've got the 4K currently applied, this option is highlighted, and we can change it to the FHD. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on this option. It is notified right here immediately actually, and after turning off this bar, you can see that this icon also changed. So we had the 4K, right now we've got the FHD. Of course, you can change the resolution without the need to slide down this bar. Just tap on this option, and as you can see, we've got the 4K and the FHD option. If you can see it right here, it means that it has been immediately applied and your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually, this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Motorola Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.